All right, third time's the charm today. I just saw that there's a competition for a giveaway prize, so let's jump right in and find 260605. I have not tried this, I haven't done this yet. Jumping right in. Um, we'll see how it goes. So we are in grams, and the average solve time is 7 minutes, so let's see how we do. All right, so I think I'm going to revolve. Actually, it looks kind of sheet metal-y, but I'm still going to revolve. It's got circles. All right, outer diameter. Let's go with thin wall revolve and see what happens. Two, 10. Overall height is 50. Let's see here. Our inner hole is 30. We got 90 on the inside, which I believe is this one when we add the wall thickness. I think we might have to do some verification and see how we do. Because this 14 includes the wall thickness, and the wall thickness is 6. So we'll actually make this 14 minus 6. And we got one round, so 10 on the outside. So let's pick that corner, drop a fillet, and there we go. Make that 10. All right, I think all the dimensions left the same, so let's click OK. I got a pop-up over here on the wrong window. It changed it to surface. I want to go back to solid and give it a wall thickness of 6. But we're going to do inside. So I always click that to make sure I'm in the right zone. All right, let's see. I think that looks pretty good. All right, let's make some cutouts now. So I think what I want to do, it looks like those tabs are pretty straight. I'm going to extrude on this plane. Let's get it's way too big, but we're going to bring it down to 190. Okay. And then we're going to add, I might need to come straight in and straight out. And we're going to need a dimension. We're going to project this geometry. We're going to get rid of a whole bunch. All right. So the dimension from here to here is 62 divided by 2. And this will be, oh, where'd my other plane go? Same thing. All right, I think that's my sketch. So that is gonna, oh, yes, that's gonna flip, and that is gonna remove material. And then that extrude will be patterned around the axis. Oh. And we got some chamfers. So I wonder if I could do those two and then, let's see here, how big are our chamfers? 10 by 45. So I'm curious if I can take that and pattern it as a reference pattern. Because I put them on the sides of that cut, that worked. All right, let's see if that's right. We're in ABS, right material. Plus or minus 0.5 grams. So I need to do a little tweak here and extend it 1 decimal place. Awesome. Cool. So we'll see if I win a prize. I'll let you know if I do. What was a quirk there? Anything? I used revolve thin. Unfortunately, when you don't have a closed loop, it automatically switches you into a surface. I'd like it to be able to just pop me right into a thicken option. I could see how you could make the tab and then pattern the tab. That might make a lot more sense than patterning the cut. But when I see round shapes, I go towards revolves. So anyway, all right, thanks for checking this out, and let's hope we win a prize. Stay quirky.